How to update Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update Wattpad app easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to as you can see, first thing, if you have an old version of Wattpad, what you have to do is go to Play Store and now go to Wattpad. And here in Play Store you can update it. Here on this green option you will find update right here. Click on it and it will be updated successfully, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.